over. There's a place in the ocean where nothing survives and no one knows why. Imagine diving into the deep and finding a place where everything is silent. No fish, no plants, no movement, just stillness and death. Scientists have discovered regions in the ocean where life simply doesn't exist. Not because of predators, not because of pressure, but for reasons no one fully understands. This is the mystery of the ocean's dead zones. Let's open the map to terror the eastern tropical Pacific. In the waters between Mexico and South America lies one of the largest oceanic dead zones on Earth. Here, the water loses its oxygen. Not just low oxygen zero. Nothing can breathe. Nothing survives. Now dive deeper where the ocean turns against itself. Without oxygen, bacteria take over. But these aren't normal bacteria. They produce hydrogen sulfide, a gas more toxic than cyanide. It poisons everything it touches. If a fish swims into this zone, it dies within minutes silently, invisibly. But here's what terrifies scientists most: these zones are spreading. Global warming heats the oceans. Pollution feeds algal blooms. The more we damage the sea, the larger these dead zones grow, and they're creeping toward places once full of life. We could be watching the ocean slowly choke itself. Some zones appear with no clear reason and vanish just as mysteriously. In parts of the Indian Ocean, entire sections go dark for weeks. Cameras malfunction. Sonar becomes unreliable. Then, just as quickly as they appeared, they're gone. Like something moved through, something too big to understand. And the scariest thought? What if something lives in the dead? If there's a place in the ocean where nothing survives, maybe something is making it that way. Something that thrives in poison. Something that leaves no trace. A predator we can't see because it kills before we even look. The ocean is alive, but it's also hiding places of total silence, where nothing moves, nothing breathes, and maybe nothing dares to exist. We call them dead zones. But what if they're not empty? What if they're warning signs?